With over 20 years as an industry leader, PCBGOGO Circuits is one of the most experienced PCB manufacturers in China. We're proud to manufacture high-quality PCBs and PCB assembly, and provide a safe and prosperous workplace for our more than 200 employees. It's our goal to be the easiest printed circuit board manufacturer to do business with. To achieve that goal, we just communicate with our PCB customer closely and take actions shortly if there is any question. Each PCB order placed from PCBGOGO will be on-time delivery. We have 24 hours online customer service to handle the engineer questions or problems you may have with your orders. Place your order now on PCBGOGO.com.